Hey everybody, we're doing something I don't do often, but I promised the person that sent me this package, he told me it was coming in today, and he wanted to see my reaction when I opened it. So we are doing an unboxing. You'll see the little box in the thumbnail, so you know what we're doing. These are already unboxed in a lather and blade room because, self-control. So this is my Geo Woolston home that I got back. It's got Randy's Edge from First Canadian. Wanted to try it out. I love the scales. I can't remember what kind of wood. Don't get me to lying. But I got a really good deal on this. Randy gave me a good deal on the Edge. I was appreciative. Love it. Took it across the neck in the car with nothing there because I don't have a lot of growth up here and I wanted to try it out. Now guys, I'm excited about this. And this is going to be my shave today. I'm going to tell you why, but this is going to be my shave. Sorry, John. I may do my head shave with one of your straight razors, but this is Randy's Edge, brand new, came in from Ale. We have a 7/8 full hollow. Do y'all see the rasp marks on there? You see them at all? You can still see them on the tang a little, and if you look towards the toe, they're kind of there. And then we have rasp marks there as well. Little bit of marking of oil there, but anyways, really great shape, guys. Love this thing. Can't wait to give it a go. I mean, that's a thick spine. And it's squared, which I kind of don't like in spines, but I do love the scales. Can you guess? Do they look similar? Yeah. I can't remember what this wood is either. I should probably go back and check. It's been a while since I bought it, but awesome. Justin got it in the mail to me. Thank you, Justin. I greatly appreciate it. Got it from the post office. International packages Saturday and today. It's just been a cluster. So, Leatherman, Subaru branded, because it came with my Subaru when I bought it. So we're gonna stick it in there. Give it a nice little, what for? This looks like one of those flat boxes. We'll see. Pop up the side a little. You know, we don't want to cut ourselves. It's always the goal. If y'all look, package is a little dented. So let's hope everything's in good shape. Sure it will be. Having fun, guys. Having fun. I'm being careful because I don't want to cut into anything I shouldn't. There's a lot of tape, John. A lot of tape. Tape in full. So, this one maybe? There we go. The front of the box was in a different place than where I was cutting. That makes sense. There we go. He tapes quite a bit. It's okay. Y'all should see the packages I ship out. And guys, I did. They should have been picked up today. They were dropped in the post Sunday. Anybody that had a prize coming from me from the Pink Boys raffle. I did get the email Friday. Worked a long day Saturday, so I didn't get around to doing it like I should have. Awesome. We got peanuts, guys. We got peanuts. Super excited to open this. If y'all don't know, June makes shorties out of gold dollars with, I say custom scales. He hand makes scales. Some really classy, some really nice woods. I'm just being gentle, taking my time, you know. Anticipation is making me wait, keeping me waiting. So do we start with the vintage or do we start with the shorties? Because I got some like Moon Soaps paper going on here around some razors. Let's start with the coffins. So this is a fine sear. Oh God, Sieberstall. Yeah. If you can read that, Lee, when you start catching up, man, I hope you're doing well. I know you said you were going to be in the hospital. Maybe you can tell me how to pronounce that, or somebody else that could. German and all, I'm assuming. Now I got to pull them out of this. Crazy. Cellophane. cellophane. Sorry guys, this is going to be a long unboxing if I got to do this with all these. So we're going to do it. I'm kind of excited. Okay, I'm a little bit more than kind of excited, not going to lie guys. Been waiting on these. He shipped them rather soon. Some of this stuff was done in the time frame we were talking about him sending me some stuff. Because, you know, he still gets jobs out to other people while he was hooking me up. Working on our little business arrangement, I guess you could call it. I will be carrying stuff of his that he wants to send me, and I will be making a little chunk of change. Don't know how much yet. Nice. So if I was guessing, this would be a 4/8, maybe 9/16, not a 5/8. See that? Nice. And I like the scales. They do appear to be original, not ones he made. So I do like that. I'm always keen on that type of stuff, man. I like things to stay original unless the scales are just bad, can't be salvaged, and then let's pop something else on there and have some fun, right? Nice. Look at this. Worn. It feels fabric-y. It's not like... I think that's fabric too, but you know what I mean. This actually feels like canvas. To the touch. Oh! This feels like a beast. He gets some Swedish stuff and Swedish steel and Sheffield, and we've been talking. He's kind of walking me through how to fix some stuff. He likes to leave patina on razors, which I do as well, depending on the razor. But wow, is that bigger than a 6/8, John? That's got to be bigger. It's huge. I like this. What's the brand on this? It is not... Okay. Finest silver steel, extra hollow ground, but I do not see a maker on the tang. These look to be original scales as well. Dude, that's awesome. That's a good chunky razor, guys. So, vintage restored. Don't have the name brand on it, and I can't read it on the pack, on the coffin. But that's actually pretty cool, guys. So we're going to unravel, shall I say. So I'm going to leave the shorties, what I think are the shorties, from the way he peens. All right, we're going to start with this one, guys, because I got a little pushy. Kind of told him something that, you know, I think I knew somebody that would like. And, you know, we can always have another one made like this for him if just the time's not right for him to get it. But I'm kind of excited about this one. I think this is a good looking one. And in a way, it looks similar to the one Junior due to shaving use. I'll link that video below, at least scales wise. And you'll see why I was like, who made this? But dude, if I remember correctly, these are, this is a 666 gold dollar. He put the blue acrylic scales. Very nice, guys. I mean, great shine. You don't see the scratches. You see my fingerprints right now, but he glues in the wedge, and then he offsets more for looks the peen up here. Hinge pin's done nicely. Ooh, that's very nice. So you see, guys, it's got a little bit of a barber's notch. We've kind of gone shoulderless here. Polished up, looking really good. I mean, this is a nice looking gold dollar. Like, you don't see all the hone wear and all the extra scratching. There's a little up here, but honestly, I mean, if you didn't know it was a gold dollar, you just think it's a sweet looking blade. So it will hold an edge, guys. This one is taken unless he contacts me soon and says differently. I'll get prices. Y'all hit me up on Instagram. I'll put my email below, but for this, I'll probably be fine with Instagram or Facebook, however you want to contact me. Look me up. You will find me. If you are in the community, I will put my email below, though. Sorry. Getting all the cellophane off, guys. It's taken a while. Talking about the items. Very excited. This isn't like an infomercial, guys. One of these are actually mine. And at some point, I'm going to get to it, and I'll be excited when I see it. I need to hit up Foa Shave Dave. See, these are JJ Shorties. These are generally what they like. We got red acrylic. Really cool. I dig quite a bit. So, Man, those are nice too. That's really nice, guys. Shady. Shady. Anyways, yeah, I'm hollering out somebody. I'm trying to poach some once there. See what they think. DK. You know. Just saying. Pretty cool colors. I didn't tell them make the red scales. They just actually came that way. So I'm kind of excited about it. Red's a big color, in my opinion. Good one. This is restored, not a shorty. I was kind of thinking it wasn't by the look of the scales. He's got a certain look to his, as you'll start to notice. These appear to be original. And I'm trying not to tear stuff up by yanking too hard. And it's hard to find the start and the end. Yeah, I'm not a patient fellow. Should be. Need to learn to be. So, there we go. And I'm being gentle. It's all about being gentle. Gotta be soft. Sorry. Having fun. Franz Walker Jararus. Fravo. So see, you've got some patina on here, as you can see. But honestly, guys, patina leaves character, and if you try to take too much off, you're going to lose that gold wash. And I'd rather have the gold wash as well, which is super cool. And I like the original scales, the inlay and stuff. Pretty cool in my opinion. Sweet. All right, next one. Look. Sorry, I don't want to roll out to the floor. All right. And I don't want to use my knife, because if I use my knife, we got a better start on that one, guys. Moving faster, moving faster. We're 12 minutes in on an unboxing. Yes! I'll know which one's mine. I'm not sure this is it. If I was to guess, I would say this is Ash. But obviously, guys, just showing you, really cool. I love these things. So yeah, I'm probably head shaving with one of these tonight. The one that's mine. So we're going to set it down there. Trying to see where to start. There we go. Found it. Getting easier. See? Practice, guys. Practice and everything always helps. Always helps. Now, this is either mine or it's the next one I'm going to open. Oh, I love these guys. So he puts like 3 coats of wax on here. Like coat 24 hours, coat 24 hours, coat 24 hours, and then I think polishes it up. Don't know his exact process, but it's something like that. If I was to guess, I would say that's rosewood. And these probably aren't, this isn't the one that was for me. For the wedge. But dude, these things look awesome. Like, really nice. Sexy, good finish. I'm impressed. And dude, I got so many DE blades in here, like Shark Platinums and some Perma Sharp. And I've never heard of Bluebird, so that'll be new. Dude! Rainbow. Now I'm excited about that. I am. Gonna be using some rainbow blades. It's gonna be fun. I didn't open the next one. I should have. That would have been wood to like let us know which one was mine. Instead, it's like this silver look, and he's got this glass-looking acrylic wedge. Like it looks like glass effect or whatever. That's so cool. Like, I actually like that myself. That's a good looking razor. I'll see it. It's like a chrome look, silvery shine, and then the glass wedge. And this one says 66. So some of them say 666 and some say 66. I'm going to look closer. Yeah. Don't know what's up with that. Don't know the difference. Maybe they're supposed to be 66s. Not sure. There we go. Found it, found it, found it. So, yeah. Sorry guys, this is cool. Like, I had such a good shave that I'm not like in need of a shave right now. I'm a little bummed. Too many good things came in today. See, that's a little bit different of a French point. I can say that one. See the difference? So they're a little different. Some are. But I like the look. And I'll link John June's channel below. He's got, I may link a few videos, guys, and I'll try to find the one where he actually like makes the gold dollars like he does. He puts a lot of time and effort into doing them this way. It's a good, awesome beginner razor, and it looks sharp too. So, and it's fun to do for people. It's a hobby for some, you know, but he does honing. You know, he's not trying to make a ton of money on this stuff. And we have to deal with shipping it overseas. So, it does raise the price just a little bit. I think we're looking at like 50 to 60 bucks, guys. I'll have to do some math on what it's cost on shipping, but yeah, we should be good. So, I can fade and ground in Sheffield. That's all it says. No maker's mark or anything like that that I can tell. Original scales. Really like that, guys. Is that a 5/8? It's a good looking blade. I like it. And I would say quarter hollow. Quarter hollow. Just looking at it. When we looked at this one, guys, I think this is the one that's mine. Sorry. That one's going to be mine. Pretty sure. We shall see. I know he's been doing some more where he's muting the points and the heels just a little bit. I don't know if there's any in here. I'll give it a better look. But it's a little bit more forgiving if you're a starter to do something like that. And I think he's done it on some advice. So it looks like, are these original or did you do these? Okay, they're original. They're just very similar in shape other than where the peen is to what he likes to put out from what I've noticed. Best silver steel, extra hollow ground, Germany. And it looks like eagle and crown. Crown and eagle, however you would put it. Super excited to use this, guys. At least the one I've got. I can't wait to try John's Edge. Everything centers nice. It's really nice work. I'm very happy. So guys, hit me up. Check out his videos. I will link them below. Like I said, these are all meant to be introductory razors for the most part, so there shouldn't be anything that's like really expensive. But anyways, hit me up after this video and start doing some uploading. Upfo Shave Dave. You're about to get hit up, my brother. And I'll probably link you this video and we can talk about what you'd be interested in. Okay? Later.